Hey guys, my name is Maikano Chimidza and I'm a girl of the age 13 turning 14. I believe that I am young, vibrant and I have the talent to represent Botswana at IMTA. I could be the next Beyonce, the next Alicia Keys, who knows, but it all depends on your vote. Please help me in this competition by watching my videos on YouTube, liking them, commenting, sharing, tweeting them, and sharing them on other social networks that you might be on. Thank you. Well, today I'm going to be singing Someone Like You by Adele in my own version. I hope you enjoy it. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue one, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts enough, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts enough, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah, nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts enough, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts enough, but sometimes it hurts instead. Thank you.